Student, today we are discussed about the balancing of chemical equation. How to balance chemical equation? Before the study how to balance chemical equation, we are discussed what is the balance equation and unbalanced equation. First, here a balance equation. What the meaning of balance equation? In a balance equation contains an equal number of atoms of each element on the both sides of the equation. Means the number of atom in left hand side and number of atom in right hand side is equal. Here that means number of reactant atom and number of product atom are equal in balance equation. For example, in the equation Zn plus H2SO4, zinc plus sulfuric acid, zinc and sulfuric acid react with each other and formed zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. In this equation, we observe here number of zinc on left hand side is 1 and number of zinc atom in right side is equal to 1. That means number of zinc atom on left and right are equal. Number of sulfur atom on left side is 1 and number of sulfur atom on right side is 1. Means sulfur is also balanced. Number of oxygen on the left hand side of the equation is 4 and number of oxygen on the right side of the equation is 4. That means number of oxygen atom are equal both sides, left and right. Number of hydrogen atom on left hand side is 2 and number of hydrogen atom right hand side is 4. Here we observe that number of atoms present left hand side and number of atom present right hand side is equal. That means this equation is a balanced equation. But in unbalanced equation, the number of atom of the element on both sides of the equation is not same. Means the number of element or atoms present on left hand side and number of atom or element present right hand side is not equal. Here a equation given: hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas react with each other and form water H2O. Number of hydrogen atom on left hand side is 2. Number of hydrogen atom on right hand side 2. Number of oxygen atom on left hand side 2. But number of oxygen atom on right hand side is 1. Here we observe that number of atom present on left hand side and number of atom present right hand side are not equal. That means this equation is unbalanced equation. Now a problem create how to balance chemical equation. Here the method of balance chemical equation: firstly, you always understand the balancing of chemical equation based on the law of conservation of mass. In class 9th, you study about law conservation of mass. Mass neither be created nor be destroyed. Means mass of reactant and mass of product are equal. That means number of atom on reactant side and number of atom on product side are same. If number of atom on reactant side and number of atom on product side are same, then equation is balanced equation. Important point for the balancing chemical equation. First point, the correct formula or symbols for each substance involved in reaction must be known. Firstly, you understand about what is the formula of reactant, what is the formula of product, what is the symbol of reactant and what is the symbol of product. Second, known of the subscripts of the formula on the left hand side can be changed in the balancing of chemical equation. It is very important point. You always remember, do not change the subscript of the reactant. For example, CaOH twice. Here 2 is the subscript of calcium hydroxide. It not written as CaOH. Okay? Please take a screenshot and note in your notebook. Here I have discussed a method of balancing chemical equation. The method is trial and error method of balancing chemical equation. For the balancing chemical equation, first you write the skeletons of chemical equation. For example, if in a question a equation is given, the equation is Mg plus HCl formed MgCl2 plus H2. In this equation, in left side of equation, number of magnesium atom is 1 and in the right side number of magnesium atom is also 1. That means in this equation magnesium atom is balanced, but the number of hydrogen atom on the left side is 1, whereas on the right side is 2. Number of chlorine atom on left hand side is 1 and number of chlorine atom on right hand side is 2. In this equation, magnesium already balanced, but hydrogen and chlorine are unbalanced because number of atom of hydrogen and chlorine on left hand side and number of atom of chlorine and hydrogens on right hand side are not equal. That means this equation is unbalanced equation. For the balancing hydrogen and chlorine, how to balance? Someone balance by the putting at the place of hydrogen H2, chlorine Cl2. But this is a wrong method because according to concept of balancing equation, at the reactant side don't change subscript of any reactant. Okay, so this method is the wrong method. For the balancing hydrogen and chlorine, if you put 2 before the HCl, then you obtained equation Mg plus 2HCl and formed MgCl2 plus H2. This is the right equation because number of magnesium on left side 1 and right side is also 1. Number of hydrogen on left side 2 and right side also 2. Number of chlorine on left 2 and number of chlorine on right also 2. That means number of atom on reactant side and number of atom on product side are equal. That means this equation follow law conservation of mass. That means this equation is a balanced equation. Second equation, a equation is given: magnesium plus water react with each others and form magnesium hydroxide and water gas or hydrogen gas. But here number of magnesium on right side, left side is 1 and right side also 1. That means number of magnesium atom are balanced in this equation. But number of hydrogen atom on left 2, number of hydrogen on right is 4. 2 here and 2 here. 4. Number of oxygen on left is 1. Number of oxygen on right is 2. That means number of hydrogen and oxygen in this equation, number of hydrogen and oxygens are not balanced. For the balancing hydrogen and oxygen, if we put 2 before the H2, then we find number of magnesium on left 1 and right 1, number of hydrogen on left 4 and right also 4, number of oxygen on left 2 and right also 2. That means in this equation number of reactant atom on left and number of product atom on right are equal. That means this equation is balanced equation. Next example, aluminium trichloride react with the calcium hydroxide and form aluminium hydroxide and calcium chloride. But the written equation is not balanced because number of chlorine and number of hydroxide ion are not equal in the both sides. For the balancing chlorine and hydroxide ion, if we multiply 2 before the aluminium trichloride AlCl3, 2 before the AlCl3, we find 6Cl. We find 6 chlorine. That means number of chlorine atom in left side is 6. For the balancing on right side, put the 3 before the calcium chloride. That means 2 3s are 6. Here 6 chlorine on right side. For the balancing hydroxide ion, if we put 3 before the calcium hydroxide, we find 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 hydroxide ions on the left side, and if we multiply 2 before the aluminium hydroxide, then we find 6 hydroxide on right. Here number of aluminium, chlorine and hydroxide ion on left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means this equation is a balanced equation. Fourth example, potassium chlorate. If we heat potassium chlorate, it produces oxygen gas and potassium chloride. But in this equation, number of chlorine is balanced, number of potassium is balanced, but number of oxygen atom is not balanced. For the balancing oxygen atom, if we multiply 2 before the potassium chlorate, then we find number of potassium chlorine and oxygen on left hand side and number of potassium chlorine and oxygen right hand side are equal. That means this equation is a balanced equation. Dear student, please you try more and more equation for the balancing. Only practice improve your knowledge for the balancing chemical equation. So open your NCERT book and write the given equation in exercise and illustration or in side book. Please solve all the questions given in your NCERT or side book related to balancing chemical equation. Thank you very much and take a screenshot of this content.